Hey guys, this is Developer Dude, and today in this video we are going to create an Italian restaurant website using HTML and CSS. If you are a beginner, then this video is for you, and if you are an advanced, then this video is for you. So without any further ado, let's start this video. In the previous video we completed menu page. Now in this video we are going to make it responsive. So first of all, right here @media only screen and maximum width 950 pixel. So now let's target first msec1, and here write height 60 VH and target msec1 h1 and set the font size to 60 pixel. Save it. This is okay for the tablet screen size. Now let's target this section 2. So here .msec2, first reduce the padding. So here top to bottom 0 and left to right 5%. Save it. So we reduce the padding here. Now let's target content div h2 and here change the font size to 40 pixel and margin bottom to 30 pixel. Save it. Here it is. Now let's target msec2 .dish content and targeting the image. Set the width of the image 150 pixel and margin bottom 0. So this is the image. Now let's target msec2 .dish content .item price and here set the margin top to bottom 30 pixel and left to right 0. Save it. This is the item price div. Now again targeting the msec2 .dish content and here targeting the item price again and targeting the div nth child 2. Nth child 2 means we are targeting the price, this one, and here set the margin left to 30 pixel. It was 50 in the laptop screen size. Okay. Now let's target msec2 again .dish content .item price and we are targeting the h3. Font size change to 24 pixel. Save it. So this is the h3. Now let's target msec2 .dish content .item price paragraph and change it to font size 14 pixel. So here you can see how our section 2 looks like in tablet screen size. So this is our section 2 in screen size, tablet screen size. So now let's change it. Now we are targeting the msec3 and here let's reduce the padding top to bottom 0 and left to right 5%. Save it again targeting msec3, and here targeting the cheap menu div, align item, set it to flex start. Nothing has changed. Now msec3 dot cheap menu box, width set it to 42, VW, and padding top to bottom 2% and left to right 0. Here you can see the width is increased, width has increased. So now we are targeting msec3 again, and here we are targeting the cheap item div and giving the padding 15 pixel. Now let's target the heading cheap item h3, font size 24 pixel, save it. Just a minute, 21 pixel, save it. And here we are targeting msec3 dot cheap item, cheap item paragraph, font size set it to 13 pixel, let it to be 14. Just remove this, save it. And here we are done with our section 3. So this is our menu page looks like in tablet screen size. Now let's make it for the smartphone screen size. To do that, create right here @media only screen and maximum width 700 pixel. So this is for the smartphone. Now first target sec1, so targeting the sec1 msec1, and here change the height to 40 vh, and targeting the h1, so change it font size to 50 pixel. Now let's target msec2. First change the padding, again same padding, top to bottom 0, left to right 5%. Now we are targeting the section 2, so msec2 dot item, justify content space between, align item center, flex direction column, margin top to bottom 15% and left to right 0, width set to the 100%, save it. So here you can see, let me show you what is item div. So this is our section 2 msec2. This is the item div, which is this one. Okay, we have changed the flex direction from row to column. Okay, now let's target msec2 section 2 item and targeting the dish content div. Set the width to 80 VW. Okay, save it. Now targeting the dish image div, and here we are targeting the image. Change the width to 35 VW, and box shadow, remove the box shadow, none, or margin bottom 30 pixel. Save it. Change it to 85 VW, not 35, 85 VW. Why the image size is not changing here? MSEC2 dish image and image we are targeting. We just have to specify it. So here you can see width 85 VW, box shadow none, margin bottom 30 pixel. So this is our section 2. Now let's target dish content h2 dot msec2 dot item dot dish content h2. Change the font size to 35 pixel. Copy all this, Ctrl C, and paste it here. Right targeting image, width 50 VW, save it. So this is the image size. Now again targeting this dot item price. So we are targeting the item price div. Set the margin top to bottom 30 pixel and left to right 0. Now again we are targeting this dot item price div and again targeting item price h3. Font size, change it to font size, change it to 20 pixel. Okay, now let's target. Now what we have to do, target msec2 item, okay, item and nth child 2. So you can see here, first this is the item div which has image here and the content here, and in the second item div we can see content is first and image is after the content, and in the third here's the image and content. So what we have to do, we have to edit the second div, make them reverse, like image should be here and the content should be here. We have to replace them. So we are targeting the item and the second div. We have 3 item div. First one is here, second one is this one, and the third one is this one. So we are targeting the second one, and here let's change the flex direction to column reverse, save it, and here we have reversed this. Now you can see this is the item div, this is the first item div, image and content. This is the second one, image and content, and this is the third one, image and content. Okay, so now we are done with section 2. Now it's time to target section 3. So first msec3, targeting the h1, font size change it to 35 pixel, save it. Now let's target msec3 and here set the padding top to bottom 0 and left to right 4%. Make text align center, save it. Now let's target msec3 cheap menu div and here change align items to flex start, not flex start, only start, and set the flex direction to column, save it. Here you can see. Let's menu box. So in the msec3 let's target the cheap menu box and here set width 100% and margin bottom 50 pixel, save it. Here you can see. Now let's target cheap item div, padding, give it the padding top to bottom left to right 15 pixel, flex direction set it to column and text align center, save it. Text align center. Now let's target image, margin bottom 10 pixel and margin right 0. Now let's target the msec3 dot cheap item h3. Here change the font size to 23 pixel, save it. Change it to 24 pixel. Now it is good. Now let's target msec3 dot cheap item paragraph and here change the font size to 14 pixel and margin bottom 20 pixel, save it. So here you can see. So here we are done with our section 3. Let's make heading or change the heading size h1, change it to 32 pixel. Okay, so now this is good. So here we are done with our menu page. We make it responsive for tablet and screen size too. So this is our smartphone screen size menu page. This is how our menu page looks on our smartphone. Now let's change it to tablet screen size. So this is how it will look on the tablet screen size and how it looks on our laptop screen size. So here we are done with our menu page, and in the next video we will build the about us. So this is our about us page. In the next video we will build this about us page. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss any update.